In this video, we'll look at a typical new hire work-from-home agent experience. As you can see, we can include materials that are helpful in creating a positive end-user onboarding experience, such as backpacks, shirts, or whatever else you might want to include. For the custom inserts, we can create a welcome package that is included inside of every order that we send out. This could be something as simple as a page that details what's in the box, how to connect all of the components, and what to do when you first power on the device. Or maybe even a QR code that links to a video on how to set up your workstation. All of this immediately helps drive down first call volume to your help desk and gets users up and running quickly. You can see that the first item in the package is a shrink-wrapped board that contains all of the small or loose items required for your workstation setup. All of your cables, your adapters, key fobs, headsets, cameras, etc. All of these will be shrink-wrapped onto a cardboard-backed insert. This allows for each package to have a consistent level of order accuracy as we know what was placed in the box. This also cuts down on users stating that they haven't received a certain item or the correct component for their kit, which would of course delay their start. Leveraging improper packing materials such as bubble wrap and packing peanuts leads to an industry average of 15 to 20% breakage for shipped devices. This is a terrible end-user experience as no one wants to open a box with broken equipment. As you can see here at Red8, we leverage custom polystyrene inserts that expand and completely form-fit around the devices. So there's padding on all sides and no room for the devices to move during shipping. Our current breakage rate is less than 1% for all of the devices that we pack and ship. A broken delivery sets off a chain reaction that leads to a delay in the end user starting their roles, which then creates an employee expense and leads to a delay in being able to bill for their work. Then of course this also leads to an additional expense for the IT team in having to process the request a second time, and your organization having to deal with the cost of shipping and paying for the broken device. In this example, the devices and peripherals are not only shipped and ready to be physically connected, but the PC is also already configured to the company and the agent's specifications. Red8 can handle your configuration management needs at scale in our technology centers. The workstation just needs to be turned on in order for the agent to begin working. At Red8, we are significantly enhancing the agent experience, realizing significant savings for organizations like yours, allowing you to focus on your core business and shortening agent time to productivity.